Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making a simple A-line gown for an 8-year-old, or basically between 7 to 8 years. Okay, and the measurements we need will be inserted in the comment section. So first and foremost, we'll be needing the shoulder line, the chest line, and the gown length. So you mark these details, and when you've done on both sides, you connect your horizontal lines. After doing that, you take your shoulder divided by 2, then bring it down to the chest line, connect the lines, then take your round chest divided by 4 plus the seam allowance. Okay, so you do that, then you get the midpoint between the shoulder line to the chest line. From there, you place your armhole curved ruler and connect the line. Next, you'll be slanting the shoulder by 0.5 inches. Then you go to the gown length. There you insert your hip divided by 4 plus about 2 or 3 inches. Then you take it straight down from the bust line down to the gown length. Okay, yeah. Next, we'll be working on the neckline. The back neck is supposed to be high neck with a slit for button. So we're going to be using 1 inch for the high neck, while for the front neck depth we'll be using about 4 inches. So after doing this, we'll trace it and cut it out using from the back neck. Now when you've cut it out, you don't forget to bring out one part since it's folded into 4 before you cut out the front neck, so that if you cut it together, that means you'll be opening both front and back neck. But this way you have your material ready. Now for the sleeve, I'm going to be folding the material on 4. We'll use the chest line as a yardstick. So whatever it is you had at the chest line, you use it plus about 2 inches for seam allowance. You fold it into 4 places. After folding it to 4 places, you get your sleeve length, you get your armhole rise. Your sleeve length and your armhole rise. So when that has been done, you're going to insert whatever it is you have at your chest line. Whatever it is you have at your chest line plus your seam allowance after connecting the horizontal lines. Whatever it is you have at the chest plus your seam allowance, you connect it from the armhole rise down to that point. Get the midpoint, come down by 0.5 inches and curve. Give it an inverted S shape. An inverted S shape. Now connect it from the tip of the seam allowance down to the round sleeve, as like so. Okay, you can cut this out. Next, we'll be working on the cape. Don't forget to notch. Yes, don't forget to notch. We're working on the cape for the front gown. Just use the front bodice to trace the neck and the side. Okay, as I've done so, then you can curve. I want the cape to be about 3 inches, so I'm going to curve. Yes, after doing this, I can now cut it out. Then look for another part of the fabric so that I can get my facing. So it should look like this at the end of the day. When I'm done with it, it will look like this and I'm done sewing it. Okay, so I'm going to use this to trace something else, so that I'll use it to turn it and give it a fine finish. Okay, so that's it. This is it for the cape. So I'll use my machine to turn this now, using the other side as the line. I slit it open. Now for the back, I'm going to trace 2. Okay, when I trace, I'll cut it to the desired length. Just watch what I'm going to do now. I'm using about 3 inches. Okay, so I'll give it more like a T shape or thereabout. Okay, So I'll use it to turn it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm going to provide the answers anyway you're confused. All right, this is the result of the finished work. All right, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to like. Then thanks for watching.